Hey guys, I'm Joey, that's a Sling Bow, and this is Over the Table. Welcome back to Over the Table. Today we're going to be doing a really fun project. We're going to be making a sling bow. Now essentially, this is converting a slingshot into an arrow-firing weapon of mass destruction. So let's go ahead and get started. Now this is one of many projects we're going to be doing on this channel, so go ahead and click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any content. Now for this project you're going to need a slingshot. You can get these at many stores such as Walmart for less than $10. You're also going to need a key ring, approximately this size. Little bigger, little smaller would work, but you want to get about an average size key ring. And you're also going to need 2 rubber bands. So to get started, thread your rubber band in the key ring. You want to be careful not to break your rubber band. And once it's in, you want to do the same thing for the other rubber band. And again, be careful not to break your rubber band. Once you're in, then you've got this. What you need to do is get your slingshot, and you're going to take your rubber band and you're going to go around the side and then thread it through again. It doesn't have to be perfect, it's just got to sit there. You can make your adjustments later. Now do the same thing to the other side. Okay, now once you're at this point, you've basically created your sling bow. Now you want to orient it in a way that this ring is straight with the bow, so that way you've got no twisting going on. It gives you the smoothest exit for your arrow. So essentially, you're going to hold your slingshot like this, put the nock of your arrow in the slingshot, and then you're ready to fire. So let's go ahead and go outside and test this bad boy out. So as you guys could see, this makes for a very effective weapon for shooting arrows and can be used for hunting or survival needs. I hope you guys enjoyed the project. Give the video a thumbs up. Have a great day and don't get shot.